Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a product in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the search button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the search for items or members section. And as you can see, you can choose if you want to search for members or items. And then just type in the clothing that you want to look for example, like jeans. And then they will have different options for kids, for men, for women, so just click on the one that you're interested in. And yeah, you can set filters for it, or you can just browse through them and find what you're looking for. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.